This is the Apollo IE. It stands for intense emotion. That's what we're about to feel. I want to show you something first. These titanium exhaust tips, just the tips, they cost more than a BMW M4. Alright, this car costs over $2.8 million, so I'm going to take off my shoes. I don't want to scratch anything. Come and have a look inside. We're about to hear what a naturally aspirated V12 in the Apollo sounds like. You ready? What was that? That is crazy. I've never heard anything like it. Insane. So I want to show you this as well. So when you're buying this car, you get a 3D scan of your body, and then they fit this interior carbon fiber to your body. They can fit all of this padding, everything, completely to your measurements.
Fantastic. Oh hey.
It's a little bit turned to the right. Oh
yeah. I mean, look, you've got decent views on that. Nice
Yeah.
picture.
See, I'm just really clever with my words. Is really what's going on here.
Oh, you've got to be a little bit jealous now.
Well, yeah, I am, but I don't think I'm not sure I'd want the responsibility. I'm actually getting as much pleasure watching Hammond do it as doing it myself.
True.
Because he's scared, look, I can tell.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel of her Supercar Blondie.
No, I'm pointing to the bit where you subscribe. That's what
Whoa,
you do on
I
YouTube.
wouldn't subscribe to that.
No,
I don't want to subscribe to that either. That's no.
Or it might be there.